Those of una when they look for trap to catch bird, now the trap be this one. Just simple way to catch bird. Just look am. Dem put it on top that trap wey dem put. You go see that bird go take enter. See am, e don enter. With this trap, you fit catch millions of birds just in one day. Just with this simple trap. Just see am. You see am? You see am? E don enter. Na just drum dem carve, dig hole, put cover, use that thing hold am for up. As that bird dey chop those seed dey come, na so dem dey waka towards the mouth of that trap. You don see am? They don enter inside. In fact, this trap no hard to do. Very simple trap. With this trap, so you fit catch millions of birds one day. Just look for where these birds dey stay. Pour seed from their road till the mouth of that trap. As dem dey waka dey chop that seed, na so dem go dey chop until they enter the trap. Just see am. They don enter. In fact, with this trap, you go fit catch millions of birds just for one day. Na bush bird be that o. Try. See am. No be small thing.